Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Today I'm sharing a card using some of Honeybee Stamp's brand new products from their Birthday Bliss release. I have their Bee Bliss 6x6 paper pad, the Lazy Daisy pierced A2 cover plate, and also the Happy 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 stamp and coordinating honeycut die set. I love the large word happy and all the different sentiments that you can mix and match together. I have the outline of the word happy loaded in my mini MISTI, and I'll be stamping it on 3 different pattern papers from the Bee Bliss collection. I'm using Honeybee Stamp's Intense Black ink, and I will ink this up just a couple times to get a good solid impression. It's fun that the stamp set includes the outline of the word happy and also the solid of the letters. So here are the 3 pattern papers that I selected. I think these look really pretty together. Then I'll use the coordinating die to cut all of those out. Now it does cut the full word, it does not cut the individual letters. And here they are all cut out. I like how it has just that small border of the pattern paper around the letters. Using this same outline die, I cut out another piece from some silver mirror cardstock. I'll layer this piece behind the pink pattern paper using the precision tip glue, and I'll add just that small peak of the silver mirror cardstock behind, creating a very slight drop shadow. When the light hits it right, it does have a beautiful shine. So now I'll set all of those aside and start working on the background. I have a piece of black cardstock, and this is A2 size, 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2 inches. And I ran it through my die cut machine using the Lazy Daisy pierced die. With just the black cardstock, it's a little hard to see the pattern in the video. I decided to add a little bit of shine, so I'm layering this black cardstock piece on some silver mirrored cardstock. I put lots of adhesive on the back. I want to make sure all of those areas are adhered nicely. And now you can see the silver mirrored cardstock through all of those little pierced holes. It's so pretty. I'll put some ATG tape on the back of this piece and add my card front onto a card base. The word happy is fairly long, but it does still fit on a vertical A2 size card. So now I'll start working on the rest of the sentiment. I'll be doing some heat embossing. I have my sentiments already loaded up in my mini MISTI. I'll pre-treat the black cardstock using an embossing powder tool. And this will help get less of those stray embossing powder pieces where you don't want them. I'm using Honeybee Stamp's clear embossing ink. And then I have Wow's embossing powder. This is the Opaque Bright White Superfine. So I'll just sprinkle that on my sentiments. Do a second time just to make sure I have good coverage, and then tap off the extra. Pull out my heat gun and heat set that sentiment. I love the look of the white sentiment on black cardstock. When the embossing powder cools, I'll pull out the coordinating dies and cut out the sentiment. It's always fun to have those matching dies for Honeybee Stamp sentiments. So now when I put the whole sentiment together, it is, I hope you have a happy, happy, happy day. I decided to pop up all of the happy words. I'm using Honeybee Stamp's white foam strips. I love these. They add just the right thickness of dimension. They're long strips. They have them in white and also black. I decided to use the white this time. They're really easy to cut, so you can customize them however you need them. And just to save time on this video, I've already put the foam dimension on the back of the other 2 happy words. I'll loosely place all of the happy words on my card. Then I'll adhere the first part of the sentiment using liquid adhesive. So just trying to make sure to get that placement correct. Once I have that part of the sentiment adhered down, I'll remove the release paper on the back of the blue pattern paper Happy. There's a good variety of different sentiments on the Happy, Happy, Happy set. There's even a couple holidays. There's Valentine's Day, Easter, it even has the word holidays, and New Year's. And then I like that it has just general sentiments as well, just like this one. I hope you have a happy, happy, happy day. So once I have the blue word happy down, I'll adhere the pink word. And then finally the gray, and I had already removed the release paper on the back. And this is super sticky foam dimension, so just warning you, it kept sticking to my fingers. But that's a good thing since you know it won't fall off. For the word day, I'll use liquid adhesive and adhere it on the letter Y on the gray happy. I love the contrast of the pastel pattern paper on that black background. To finish off the card, I'll add some gem stickers, and this is from Honeybee Stamps Back to Basic Gem Set, using the silver color. Put 3 in the upper left-hand corner around the sentiment and 2 in the lower right-hand corner. So there is my finished card. This was so fun to make, and I love the look of the silver foil shining through the pierced daisies in the background. It almost has the look of fireworks in the background, just in a daisy shape. If you are interested in any of the products I used in this video, I do have links provided in the description box below. And definitely go and check out Honeybee Stamps' brand new Birthday Bliss release. There are so many amazing products to help celebrate their 7th birthday. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.